Hi, my name is Matthew Silverman, and today we're going to make oven roasted sockeye salmon with fennel and dill. This dish is great because it really highlights the flavor of the sockeye salmon. For this recipe we use sockeye salmon. We take a 6-ounce fillet of sockeye salmon and season it with salt and pepper. We have a hot saute pan and we sear it with olive oil until one side is completely brown. Then the fish is flipped over, placed in the oven to cook at about 350 degrees for about 4 or 5 minutes only. While our fish is cooking in a saute pan, we take 2 ounces of olive oil, 1 fennel bulb, which is sliced, 2 shallots, which are chopped, and sweat them down until they get soft and tender. We then add 4 ounces of white wine, deglaze the pan, and reduce that wine until it's about 25% gone. Then we season with salt and pepper, and we finish with 2 ounces of butter, which is whisked in to make the sauce creamy. To make the sauce for our fish, in a mixing bowl, we start with 3 tablespoons of sour cream, ½ teaspoon of chopped dill, salt and pepper to taste, ½ teaspoon of lemon juice, and ¼ teaspoon of lemon zest. This mixture is whisked together, and when the fish is done, it tops the fish.